In the heart of what was once a vibrant civilization, secrets lie buried beneath layers of time, challenging our understanding of history. As researchers delve deeper into the past, they uncover evidence that suggests these great societies thrived far earlier than previously believed, reshaping our narrative of human history. Evidence points to advanced social structures and intricate belief systems revealing a complexity in their societies that we are only beginning to comprehend. These discoveries illustrate a rich cultural heritage that not only shaped the Americas but also connects us to the diverse narratives of humanity. As we reveal more about these ancient peoples, their art and architecture reflect not just survival but a profound connection to the land and each other. Each artifact tells a story echoing the lives of those who walked these lands long before us, reminding us of the complexity and richness of ancient American civilizations. The ongoing exploration continues to challenge our timelines and perceptions, shedding light on a remarkable legacy that stretches across millennia.